Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Jacobs. I am going to show you guys how to do my quick and easy salmon recipe with crispy skin, okay? So if y'all want to see how that goes, stay tuned. Alright y'all, I am back and I'm going to try to talk loud because I got some bacon cooking on the stove as well for my side. But anyway, in this pan, what we're going to do is we're going to make a dry rub or to go on top of our salmon. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 whole pack of Salmon. Now remember, I have at least 3 pounds, 3.5 pounds maybe worth of salmon. So feel free to adjust your seasonings as you wish. But I need to put it on 2, so that's why we're going to put this much, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you put the whole pack of Salmon in there, okay? You're going to put you 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You're going to put you 2 tablespoons of seasoned salt. Okay. You're going to put you, since I like a lot of garlic, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of garlic, but feel free to use 1 if you don't prefer garlic. Okay. Then we're going to put 1.5 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Okay. I'm also going to put 1.5 tablespoons of Old Bay. Okay. And then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Onion powder. Onion powder. And then 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. Okay? And of course, that's just, for decoration and color. It don't really taste like anything. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to mix that up. All up just like that. Alright, and of course you may have some extra seasoning left, but that'll be fine. You just leave it. But you're gonna put this on top of your salmon. Okay, so meet me at the counter and I will show you what to do. Alright guys, I am back. Now I got 2 pans here for my salmon. Alright, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I covered them with foil, and my oven is on 425 degrees, and you need to put the pans in the oven right now before we do the salmon. Okay, so just put them in your oven. The bottom rack is fine. Put them right in there and let them be getting burning hot, because remember I told you we're gonna make some crispy skin. Okay, so we have that in the oven just waiting on us, and then in the meantime, in between time, we got our salmon. Okay. All right, loves, I am back. Now, I got my 2 pieces of salmon that I'm gonna use here. They're both right here. I've cleaned them, and they are patted dry. All right, and then the first thing I do is I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit of olive oil on top of it. Okay. Make sure your hands are clean, of course. And then you're going to drizzle both sides with olive oil. Okay. Make that crispy skin. I don't know if you ever had the skin, but you might want to try it, and feel free make it. Try it. Now, the trick to this skin, though, is that your thing cannot be, your fish cannot be frozen at all. Okay, your fish needs to be good and, defrosted. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me wash my hands real quick. All right. Now I have 1/2 a stick of butter right here. Actually, yeah, it's a 1/2 stick of butter. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it all on top of my fish. Okay. All over the place like that. Okay, you might not use it all, but if you do use it all, it's okay. And just rub it all in there. Like that. Okay. All right. Now you're ready for your seasoning. You have your seasoning. Here's your seasoning that you made right here. And you're just going to lightly dust the top of it. All right? All over the place. Don't be shy. If you have some left over, that's okay. You can always put this in a little, sandwich bag or something. You can save it for later. Next time you need to use it or whatever. We're trying to start on our eating healthy click, eating better. I wouldn't say eating healthy, but eating a better meal. And I can use this for the next salmon meal I make. All right. So now we're going to put that on there all over there just like that. And we're going to take our little hands. We're going to pat that down. Okay, just like that. And you know what else you could put on here? You could put some paprika if you have paprika. That definitely would give it a beautiful color. But I remember I had that Sazon, so the Sazon will give it a color. So I'm not going to too much worry about the paprika at this time. But I'm going to take it and I'm going to flip it over. Because remember, you want to put some seasoning on that other side too, because you're going to get it all nice and crispy. So you don't want it to be bland when you're cooking it, right? You want it to be flavorful too. So of course, you're gonna just put your some on top of there. Don't be shy. All right, now if this seems like this is too much for you, then just feel free to use less. It's not that big of a deal. All right. All right, so now that is perfect right there. All right, now remember we got our pans in the oven on 400 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring you back and I will show you what happens when I put it in the pan. Okay? I'll see y'all in just 1 second. Okay, loves, I'm back and we're just about to put the two things directly onto the hot pans. All right, and your skin, your pan should sizzle. Okay, letting you know that they hot. And you're gonna cook it on the bottom row for 7 minutes. Okay, so you got them in there. Got them on the bottom row for 8 minutes, actually, 8 minutes, okay? Now I'm gonna see y'all right back. Hey loves, I'm back. Okay, so this has been 8 minutes, okay? And this is what it looked. I took that little side up there so you can kind of see it. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, move it up to the front row or the top row, okay? And you're gonna put it on broil for 2 minutes, okay? But you need to watch it, okay? Watch it. Broil 2 minutes, watch it. All right, that's done. And you know what I ended up doing? I ended up doing 3 minutes on high. All right, and then just look at that skin. Oh, look at that crispy skin. I told y'all it's gonna be good and crispy. So yeah, I ended up doing 3 minutes. So just kind of watch it. And I didn't tell y'all that I added the lemon on top, but of course, it was just a garnish. I'm not gonna eat that or anything, but just feel free to add the lemon on top if you want. But this is pretty much how it looks. Okay, so that is salmon with the Jacobs. I'm gonna throw some sides together with this, and it's gonna be good to go. Yeah, it's ready. All right, see y'all next time. Cooking with Jacobs. All right, guys, here is the final plate up. This is my husband's plate. Oh, that's just some, okay. Yeah, here you go. Here's the final plate up. Salmon with the Jacobs. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. All right, I'll see y'all next time.